everybody, this is Melissa from stampwithmelissa.com, and today I would like to share with you how to make some really cute, really quick Valentine's Day cards for anybody. You could send these to a spouse, to a neighbor, a friend, anyone. So what I've got here, this is the Sweet Little Valentine's Cards and More set, and you can find this all comes together, you can find it on page 16 of the mini catalog. Here it is right here. So with it, you get all of these things pictured here, or what I'm about to show you. So you get 2 sets of envelopes, and that is gold foiling liner in there. And so there's one striped and one polka dot. You also get 2 different kinds of card bases. So there's a striped card base and a polka dotted gold foil is on those as well. And then you also get these cute little cards here, and if you are a scrapbooker, you can also use these in scrapbooking. You can make a full-size card with these however you want, but there's actually 2 sides. So this side has the hearts here, and then when you flip it over, it's got more hearts right there. I love how it just kind of fades an ombre effect, and then that cute little heart there that says love you. And then these ones say you are loved, and when you flip these over, it's got a nice like paintbrush stroke there. And then what's nice about these is you actually get 5 of these card bases, 5 of these card bases, and then you get 5 of each of these, and you can use whichever side you prefer. So let's go ahead and get started. So on page 16 of the mini catalog, it does tell you at the bottom which colors coordinate with the set, and I have them all here. So we've got Pool Party, Melon Mambo, Calypso, Coral, and Petal Pink. Now these are the 4 coordinating colors. You can use other colors if you have them, especially like a black or something like that, but these are the ones that they have designed this kit around. I'm also going to be tying in this super cute Always in My Heart stamp set, and the reason I am is because I really love the sentiments, and this is found on page 11 of the mini catalog. There is a bundle with it, and actually the whole Sweet collection does come with another stamp set and bundle as well, but this is the one I'm going to use today to help jazz up these cards. Let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this, this piece here, which says you are loved, and I'm going to pair it with this card base. Now this is pretty much everything you need, right? Like, you really don't need it to say much else. You are loved, which is so perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and adhere it like this on the card base, and I'm actually gonna pop it up onto dimensionals. Oh, it's just so cute. Wasn't that easy? That's it. Like, that's all you have to do. I am going to go ahead and put a sentiment on the inside just to jazz it up a little bit, and I'm also going to use my bone folder just to help this stay a bit flatter. So for this card, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this sentiment here that says the best kind of friend is the kind like you. And because this is a photopolymer stamp, I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Pierce mat, which just gives it a little bit of extra cushion and lets it produce a nicer image for us. And then I'm going to use the Melon Mambo ink for the inside of this card. So there we have the first card. Let's move on to number 2. The second card I'm going to use is using the same polka dot background, and then I'm going to use this cute panel that says love you. And for this card, I'm going to pull in this sheer ribbon that can be found in the annual catalog. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tie a bow. Then I'm going to go ahead and use dimensionals again to pop this up. And for the inside of this card, I'm going to use this You Are Always in My Heart sentiment. So again, I'll go ahead and bring in my Stampin' Pierce mat, and I'm going to flip it over, make sure that I'm doing it on the right side. And this time I'm going to use the Calypso Coral ink pad. Then again, I'm going to go ahead and fold this over and bring in my bone folder. Give it a nice crease. And there's the second card. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love that ribbon on there. For the third card, I'm going to use the striped base and these cute hearts. And I'm actually going to go ahead and bring in my mat right away. And then here's my Melon Mambo ink. And I'm going to do this sentiment again that says, "You are always in my heart." I'm going to go ahead and ink that up, and then I'm actually going to put it right over this pink heart here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the snail mail twine. This is the white twine in the combo pack. And I'm going to make a bow, and I'm going to adhere it to the side here. And then I'm actually going to use a glue dot. I'm going to kind of curl it up a little bit and fold it in half or into a little ball with my finger there. Oops. And then I'm going to stick it on and place it there. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and put dimensionals on the back here. And once again, I'll fold it and bring in my bone folder. And there's card number 3. All right, the last card I'm gonna do is going to use the striped and our very last pattern, which is the paintbrush stroke pattern. Now for this last one, I want to go very big and bold on the sentiment here. So I'm actually gonna use this cute heart. So once again, I'm gonna pull in that Melon Mambo ink. You can tell this has been a favorite of this pack. And I'm gonna ink up this heart. And it says there, "You had me at hello," which is so cute. And make sure it gets a good stick there. Oh, that's cute. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and, as you probably guessed, I'm going to put dimensionals on the back. And give it a nice fold. And there we have it. There's card number 4. Isn't that so cute? Here are all the cards today, and what I love is that they just took minutes to make, which is so wonderful. Very easy to create with this set. This card set actually comes with enough supplies to make 10 cards, and if you're in the US, it's only $10. That's $1 per card. And all you can see here, all I did was I added a little bit of ribbon here, some twine here, and a stamp set. And some ink. So there we have it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, which will let me know that you'd like to see more content, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And when you do subscribe to my channel, make sure to turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.